Such a perfect time. I'm really thirsty and there's free water here. Oh no, Hannah seems to have been woken up. Lisa, wait and see. Who am I? Where am I? Cannot believe in my eyes. You dare to cheat? I'll make you pay the price. What's wrong? They're your clothes. Don't you recognize them? Please forgive me. I love you most. There is a saying, I saw ranks the first, toothtaste rank the second. We can really feel the hardships brought about by the toothtaste. Let's see, I have some tips to help you. Drawing a tooth by thread is a traditional and common way, but the result will depend on your luck. This doesn't work.
Okay.
Don't worry, stay there. Ouch, my eye swell. Have to use the heavy method. Hold yourself. You drilled the wrong tooth. Make it off for me. Always sticking your eyes to the phone. How can I take it if you put it there? Perfect! Don't touch girls unless you want ramifications pie. What movie is Bryce seeing? She's moved to tears. Look at those tissues. Have to take this chance. This girl is too messy. Is she trying to make me drown in those tissues? Hey, you should be tidy even if you're crying. What's the bend for? Come here to take my stuff and still dare to teach me? Go to hell. Don't think you can run away this time.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Meeting me next today your funeral. Go away. Don't worry, I'm here. Here's your stipend. Too much. Huh, I've been suspicious. Think you can fool me? In your dream. Thieves nowadays are so Machiavellian. Thief. I cannot confront him myself. Have to find the strategies. Huh, see where you can run. Caught you! Go to hell! You were born to be my love. Hey, you left a hole in my heart. How can you need it now? It's true that girls alert into morning. Let me wipe it for you. Liars will meet liars.